How to apply the Identity Elevate range. Start by placing your garment onto the lower heat platen. Carefully peel the backing away from your transfer. The lower press should be at 130 degrees. Position the transfer onto the garment. Then place the supplied film over the top, with the rough side facing down and the smooth side facing up. Pad to gently press the transfer down. It will glide smoothly across the surface. Apply heat for around 10 seconds, then peel away the film. Using a pair of tweezers, carefully remove the top transfer film at a sharp angle. Once this film has been removed, place the supplied film back over the transfer again, this time with the smooth side facing down and the rough side facing up. Apply heat again for around 10 seconds, then peel the film away. Next, move the garment to your heat press. Cover the transfer with silicone paper and press at 150 degrees for 8 seconds. Once complete, your transfer is fully applied and ready to wear, showing off the amazing effect of this brand new technology.